Don't push. We don't push. She's got her own one. It's fine. Okay, good.
You got Michael and Camilla, and then there's Raphael. In 2018, we had Ariel. Our love is real. It feels surreal. Subscribe to our channel and enjoy the thrill. A typical day in the Nobles household. We come from London where it's always cold. Daddy has to change the baby's bum bum, whilst mommy has to soothe Raphael's tum tum. Things are crazy as you can tell. At the end of everything, it ends all well. The Nobles. The Nobles.
Hi guys!
Hi Noble Familia, welcome back to our channel. First things first, if you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button over there. Where is it, Raph?
Over there.
Make sure you like, comment and share.
Yep, and give us a thumbs up.
Today's video, Daddy, what are we doing?
So today's video we're going to be making Raphael some cakes.
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes. You want to show them? What cupcakes is it? Paw Patrol cupcakes.
Yay!
Wow! Who's your favourite person in Paw Patrol, Raps?
Marshall.
Marshall, yes. So guys, we bought these from Tesco's. I'm not sure how much they cost, but it didn't cost an arm and a leg. And yeah, so yeah, it's just a little bit of fun. See how the cakes come out afterwards.
Let's show you guys how it looks.
It's a bit battered because Raps has had it for about 2
Yeah,
days.
look guys, he's already tried to buy it through.
You went in bed with it. Are you excited? How do you feel? You feel good, yeah? Yeah, baby gonna feel good after the tail fat bump. Okay, enjoy. Before we start making our cakes, what do we need to do? We need to wash our...
Cake.
No, we need to wash our...
Fingers.
Our hands. Oh, good. Good job, Daddy and son.
Hello Ariel.
You have one end, I have one end.
Why are you playing with the bin? It's yucks. Yucks. Say hi everybody. Hello.
Okay, so, good.
Daddy, what comes in the kit?
In the kit comes sponge mix, which is this one, the cake mix, sponge mix, and we have the icing mix. Very simple, not too overcomplicated. Right, so now guys, we have the mixer in the cases for the cakes. So we're good to go. We just need to make sure that they're spread out evenly. Raphael, tell the guys what you did.
I made my cupcake.
So what did you do? You poured the cake mixer into the cases, right? Good. So guys, what we've done is we preheat the oven to 160 degrees.
Don't make a cake.
Bake in the center of the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until risen.
Now you have to make the icing.
Oh, there's a Paw Patrol.
Wow.
Got Shima
Yeah.
and Marshall and Jinx, Rocky, Marshall.
Okay, good. Oh.
Yes, Rose.
You need to take it out of the pack for you.
So is that mine? That
Don't push, we don't push. She's got her own one, it's fine. Okay, good. There you go, Ace. It's ready back.
so yummy.
Watch it.
I
Food.
can eat one.
Some more? Yeah, you eat that, innit? You cheeky fat bum. So guys, I hope you liked our video today. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Please leave some comments if you want to see us do more videos like that. If you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button. And yes, I will see you guys soon. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Ace.
Bye.